Okay, guys, so every single time when your kids go in the car, you always have to seatbelt.
Sure.
We finished eating.
Come. Where we go next?
To the mall, but
What is this?
what the heck?
You know how to sit down? You gotta say it out loud so all the kids know.
I bet Emma knows.
Say it.
When every single time when I get in the car, seatbelt!
You gotta say it slowly so people understand.
nicely.
When you get in the car, you have to seatbelt everybody.
That's not.
Okay, guys, so every single time when your kids go in the car, you always have to seatbelt.
Sure.
So first, you just pull, and then pull, and then when you see this black seatbelt, you just do this, and then pull with your other hand, and then buckle right here, only push in. And then if you want to unbuckle, then you just press this red stuff. Okay.
Good job.
He's so mean, and we're gonna go to the barn, and you're gonna come with us.
Good job.
Hello guys, I'm in Costco, and I'm playing with my kitty, and I'm playing with my kitty.
How you play with your kids?
So first, let me show you. Let me get in here because I want to. So first you press the nose, keep wait. Until it makes that sound, you hold in the front and hold in the back, and then shake it. Go faster!
Okay, ready? Let me listen.
You didn't do it, but it's okay. Guys, look, so if you shake it, it'll go faster. It was supposed to, but it's okay. That's Mommy. That's Mommy.
Hear it?
Oopsies. Here you go.
Slowly.
Now, fish. Oh my god, I caught a stingray! I caught a stingray! Be sure to like, subscribe.